In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Escape the Backrooms VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some months ago, there was actually an official VR mode introduced into Escape the Backrooms. However, the developers quickly dropped support for this mode because it was buggy and oftentimes gave you a lot of glitches. However, they didn't remove it altogether, so there is still a method for you to access this mode. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to access and fix VR support for Escape the Backrooms. Of course, the very first thing that you will need is a VR headset. In this example here, I have the Oculus Quest 2, and you would connect it to your PC over Quest Link or AirLink. It doesn't need to be this one specifically, it can be any other MetaQuest headset or even a different model altogether, but the main point is that you must have a VR compatible headset connected to your PC before starting the game. After you connect it to your PC using a cable or wirelessly, what you have to do is go into the game's files. So, to do this, find Escape the Backrooms, right-click it, and go over to Manage. You will notice that I'm doing this with Lethal Company because I don't have Escape the Backrooms on this account at the moment, but of course, you will do this process with the Escape the Backrooms game instead. So when you right-click the game, go over to Manage, and then Browse Local Files, you will be redirected to the folder where the game is installed. So you will see the Steam folder, Steam Apps, Common, and then Escape the Backrooms if you didn't change the default install location. In here, you have the executable, so all that you have to do is open this executable. So instead of running the game through Steam, open it through the executable located here, and as long as the VR headset is connected to your PC, when you open the game through the executable available in this folder, the game is going to automatically start in virtual reality mode. You might encounter some problems, but overall the experience will be great and you will be able to take advantage of your virtual reality headset to play Escape the Backrooms. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Escape the Backrooms VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.